Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an awesome tutorial for all you content creators out there. We're going to show you how to stretch audio with just one click in Filmora. It's a fantastic feature that can save you a ton of time and add an extra layer of creativity to your videos. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at stretching audio effortlessly. Let's dive right in. Add the audio that you want to stretch to your timeline. The magic of Filmora's one-click audio stretch feature is right here. It's a simple yet powerful tool that will change the way you work with audio. First, select the audio clip in the timeline. Now, locate the one-click audio stretch button right here. Once you've got your clip selected, all you need to do is click it and watch the magic happen. You can easily adjust the duration and intensity of the stretch to match your video perfectly. Let's play the audio. For more precision, Filmora allows you to refine your audio stretching even further. You can control the pitch, speed, and even add fade-ins and fade-outs to create a professional and polished audio effect. And there you have it. Filmora's one-click audio stretch feature makes audio manipulation a breeze. And with the added customization options, you have full control over your audio effects. It's a game changer for content creators. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic Filmora tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.